So, hey guys, and welcome to day 2 of my vacation. Welcome to day 2 of my vacation day. So I forgot to end the vlogs yesterday, but that's because I was really tired. But today we're gonna be going to sushi school. I thought we already did try it. But we're gonna go eat sushi. Me and Danielle are in pain right now on the left side of ourselves. I don't know why. And then here's Heavy in the same exact shirts that she always wears in my vlogs. Oh, different pants.
And sunburn. Same shoes.
Ah, I shocked.
You know how like Lizzie McGuire the movie, like Kate was like, "You are a culprit repeater."
Yeah. We're gonna go go-karting too, so that'll be fun. Hopefully your mom can record us for the vlogs.
She don't know how.
She knows how to use her phone. She can. I know, bro. I saw the picture she took of us. I was like, what? Why are we so far?
I told her you just go like this with your fingers, and she's like,
yeah. Or like when she was like, I need the pastor, and I was like, you don't need the pastor. Man. But we're all gonna be racing. I'll probably just like leave it on like a rail or something. Let me wear that later. For pictures, okay?
"How about you take a picture?"
Ah, I keep shocking everybody today.
You didn't shock me.
I did shock. You shocked me then.
Yeah.
You didn't. We're finally at the go-kart race, and now we're gonna go go-karting. So hopefully I get enough footage so that you can see this, but I'm gonna be driving, so I don't know if I can have this in with me. And it's really, really hot. Let's get ready to rumble! What? What? Oh.
Let's go.
Oh, we're bowling right now, and so far things are not looking good for me.
I got 9.
I got 0.
Oh, you got 0?
I need those bowler things. My nails are gonna chip. It always chips every time I try it.
You gotta like go to the right more and then throw it so it can go straight.
Mine, I always throw more towards the right, so I have to move to the left.
So to move to the left.
Good, I hate this game.
You guys are so. Look at your score.
I'm not up there yet.
Almost upstairs.
Yeah.
You gotta throw it hard.
My turn.
Wendy sucks. That's her score. 0.
To the right, to the right. There go, there go.
What did I tell you? She sucks.
What is wrong? Why didn't you keep going to the right?
So we're the
For now. Like a mom? sad news. Broke my nail. Well, I was bowling. I broke in half. I'd show you guys. Well, maybe I should show you guys. Nah. Because the band-aid won't show. Or because my band-aid won't stick anymore.
Is there no charger right here?
But it literally broke my nail in the meat part. Where should we go?
Arcade.
Swimming!
I want to go arcade!
Swimming!
Is an arcade there?
Swimming!
Arcade!
Is there arcade
You
there?
got money for that?
Really?
Yes.
I use your money.
Han, what the hell? Han, what the hell? No. You just got $100. You had $100 for your dad.
Okay, so that's for my college.
No, you don't have no college
That's for
fund.
my college
No
fund.
Vietnamese person have a college fund, okay?
No.
How much are we gonna play?
20.
40? Shut up.
40?
You're
We're
paying,
gambling here!
you're paying 20, bitch.
IJ.
Yeah. Dale, how about you? Remember?
I could have looked it up.
Oh. Okay, well, whoever goes
stop.
swim, then let's just go to the arcade. You know what I'm saying?
You can just swim at nighttime. No.
But whoever wants to go to the arcade, then go to the arcade. And then whoever wants to swim, go swim.
Okay, hold one.
Exactly. Then you gotta go in your own time. I feel like Jersey Shore because you know what time
Why
it
do you
is?
vlog that way?
Because I get better.
I do it the other way.
Because
Give me the rope.
how do you cut row? How do you cut row?
Look at this dry kimchi.
And look at how little it is. That's like a bite.
Look at, this isn't even for one person. It's for a joke, like over there.
Eat it. Sure only says enough. Enough.
Hello, she looks like a rat.
She does.
Or give this video a thumbs up.
I'm gonna thumb it down when I watch it.
Don't thumb down my video. We're at separate tables right now. They got a pot. What did you guys order?
Pork belly, beef tongue, beef belly.
Seasoned beef?
Pineapple? Yeah.
Yep, grill it. Grill it.
Move it around.
Ooh, you guys like that sound?
ASMR.
You better get PTSD, bro.
Sorry, pineapple. It's okay.
You gotta eat a pineapple, bro.
I eat it.
You say it's okay, but you're not.
Why you don't got the lips from the front?
And you gotta make the noise. Yeah.
That's a big,
But some people don't like that noise.
that's cute.
What do you do with the potato?
That's size. Don't take
Is it already steamed?
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought they just gave me a raw potato.
You guys don't think it's at all.
Potato?
You can hurt it, but not right there.
That's what? That's
cold.
insane.
Because we have like health and safety. It's birthday. You guys have that.
Yeah, but
Yeah, but it's cold.
when you
Pass
learn
it over
next
here.
year, when you learn about Blitzkrieg and Nagasaki next
Oh
year,
yeah, I'm waiting.
Bruh,
World.
this is how it's supposed
Is
to
that
look like. Yeah.
wait, really?
Unlike the shit that we made.
Wait, why is it only 3?
It's not. It's 7.
Huh? Oh, there's 7. How many orders did you put in? 3, right?
One.
You ordered them.
Oh, this is a honey glaze? Way better with the sauce. Okay.
Who was the drum there?
These are getting a little bit
Dude, this just tastes like regular pot liquor.
I don't know. Yeah, but I love hot liquor.
Here, you can have it.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, so full. We're ready for our mochi. Contemplating life.
Are you full? I'll eat it if you don't want. If you're full.
You already eat this, I'm eating this.
Yeah, we can tell because you wear the same clothes every single vlog.
But she just changed the pants, so.
Tại vì trong quay con tôi combo là con té luôn á.
Oh, we should have got my mom. Following. Oh, I know. No one knew that. We didn't even know that was gonna happen. Because no one does that. Who does that?
Yeah, she said that she was falling on
She was
purpose.
walking backward and then she fell.
Yeah, what? I don't.
You guys, you have to see what I came into when I was in the bathroom. What the fuck? Girls and a bathtub together. Psych!
Wendy, I know you're jealous.
I'm not jealous, you're nasty. Dripping water everywhere. I'm not jealous. I got a broken thumb, remember? Hopefully they heard me through all that ruckus.
Oh, did you record at the arcade?
No. Why? Because I had no battery. Jimmy! Making a mess everywhere.
Who's hungry?
Nobody!
Steven.
Oh yes. Why are you hungry? Nowhere is open.
Snack. The cafe. Snack. The cafe. Ice cream.
snacks.
Oh my god, Danielle, you still want ice cream? Anyways, here's our room. It's a total mess. That means it's time for you to take a shower.
2 girls in the hot tub. 3 grown-ass girls in the hot tub. This is not free.
One in the morning right now. I didn't end the other vlog, so I have to end this vlog. No one's asleep. They're all freaking eating
Ice cream.
I'm tired, so I'm gonna call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this. What?
Told you got at the arcade.
I'll show them tomorrow. I'm tired, bro.
I would want to know.
Okay, well, they didn't even know I went to the arcade, so.
Now they know.
Just kidding.
There you go.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Have a nice day, guys. See you next time. Bye.